Hi, kindergartners. It's time for some math. And so we've been working on decomposing teen numbers. And so you started out by learning about that teen numbers have a tens place and a ones place. And you learned to be able to decompose it by making a picture where you wrote, this is 10, and then there were 5 ones. Then you learned about decomposing numbers and putting them into a number bond. And so that was what we did last week, where you had your number bond and you put the number 15, and then you would decompose it by putting your tens and your ones. So we had 10, which is what we would put right here, and then we had 5 ones. This week, you're going to get to decompose teen numbers by seeing if you can come up with 2 ways to decompose this number. And so I'm going to show you some ways that you could do that. So we're going to look back over here at our tens and our ones. Now, when I look at this, I can look at my 10 and I can think, how could I take apart that 10? So think for a moment, how could we take apart this 10? What's an easy way that we could do that? Oh, you know what I could do? I could use my hands. So I know that I have 10 fingers. And if I use my hands, I have 5 fingers on one hand and 5 fingers on the other. So I think that I would like to use 5 as one of my numbers that I'm going to use. So I'm going to break that apart, and instead of, I'm going to have 5 extras right here. Then I'm going to do another 5. And then I have these 5 that I still have. So I'm going to draw those. Make sure you guys can see them. All right. So I have my 15 pieces right here, and I broke them up into groups of 5. So I know that I want to start with 5. So I'm going to put 5 right here. Oh, wait, that's fine. I don't want to put 5 right there yet. I forgot. I gotta do something. So I'm gonna take one of these 5, and then I want to take a couple of from this 5. I'm not gonna take all of them though. So I think I'm going to circle 2 more. So I have this group right here, and I'm gonna count it, and let's see how many it is. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna use that group to start with. So I'm gonna write 7 over here. Now I'm going to look at the leftovers and count and see how many are left over. So let's count and see how many are left over that I did not circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 extras. So I'm going to put 8 over here. So this lets me know that I could decompose the number 15 and put 7 plus 8 to give me 15. But I also know that I could decompose it by doing 10 plus 5 to give me 15. And now I have 2 number bonds that make 15. And all I did was break apart all of my pieces over here, and then I grouped them into 2 different groups and counted. So you're going to go and get to do this and make 2 different number bonds showing me how you broke apart these teen numbers. I look forward to seeing your work, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!